A lot of you have been asking me to listen to an AI calling agent for real estate. So I'm going to go ahead and call it right now so you guys can listen to it live and hear how it performs. Let me know what you guys think. Here we go.
Hi there. Thanks for calling Mountain Ridge Real Estate. This is Sarah on a recorded line. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Hey, Sarah. My name is Johnny. How are you today?
Hey, Johnny. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you today? Were you looking to buy or sell a property?
So I was actually looking to buy. We just moved into the area from Florida, and we were just wanting to figure out what our options are.
Got it. And have you already started working with an agent, or is this the first time calling in?
This is actually my first time calling in.
Great. Well, thank you for choosing Mountain Ridge Real Estate. I'll be happy to take care of you. May I ask you a few questions before I connect you with one of our agents?
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks. Are you looking for a single-story apartment or two-story home?
We're looking for a 2-story home right now.
Got it. Any specific number of bedrooms and bathrooms you're aiming for in your new home?
Yeah, so we're looking for at least a 3-bedroom with at least either a loft or an additional space to create an office, as well as a basement to be able to convert that into a baby room.
Noted. Any specific preferences like a pool, big patio, 2-car garage, or anything like that you're looking for in your new home?
Yeah, so a pool, not necessarily a pool, but definitely a bigger backyard for our dog, because we do have an 80-pound dog, and it would be really great to have him have a space in the backyard that he could just go out and run and play around, as well as we have a baby as well, so it would be preferable.
Thanks for sharing that. I'll go ahead and take this information and connect you with our local agent who will be able to help you find a home with these preferences. With that said, what time of the day works best for you for a call back? Does morning, afternoon, or evening work best for you?
So usually I'm working during the morning time. It'd be probably best sometime in the evening time.
Evening works great. Expect a call from Rebecca Jones, our senior local specialist. She's amazing and will be prepared to help you schedule some viewings with the preferences you mentioned to me. Sound good?
Yeah, that would be great. What was her name again? Her name was, you said it was Rebecca?
Rebecca Jones, our senior local specialist. She'll be reaching out to you soon to assist with scheduling viewings. Did you have any other questions before I let you go?
No, that's actually it. I have my baby crawling up on my back here, so I appreciate you and thank you so much for your time.
No problem at all, Johnny. It was a pleasure speaking with you today. Thank you for calling Mountain Ridge Real Estate. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Thank you. So that right there is plugged into a real estate company where it's handling all inbound calls coming from their Google Map listings, from their website, from their business cards, if they're going to an event, or any of these things where their phone number is listed. They have this AI plugged into it to basically sort through every single call and figure out what direction that they need to go and who they need to be transferred to. So whether the person is trying to buy a house or trying to sell a house, it would guide them accordingly. And on the back end, we have an agent specific to the buying side. We also have an agent specific to the seller side. And based on, that individual's availability, we also have the option to even transfer that individual directly to the agent right away if, they have deemed themselves as someone that wants to be transferred right away. Or we can just set them up as an appointment to call them back, as you just heard. So I wanted to create this video to enlighten some of you guys that have never heard a real estate AI. This is an AI calling system that will, again, take and guarantee that it picks up every single one of your phone calls. So that way you can get maximum productivity every single month from your real estate business. If you know a real estate agent, share this with them and let them contact me, and we'll go ahead and plug this into their business so that, they can see maximum profitability because of this amazing technology. So see you on the other side.